Yeah.
Good afternoon. Can you hear me? You can unmute yourselves and answer or type in chat box. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Is my screen visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Is my screen visible? At least type in chat box. Okay. Only 17 students have joined so far. Anyway, we'll start. Yesterday I've given you the definition of Laplace transformations. If f of t is any real valued function defined for all t greater than or equal to 0, that means t takes values from 0 to infinity. And f of t is real for all values of t which are greater than or equal to 0. For such a f of t, the Laplace transformation of f of t is denoted by L of f of t. The Laplace transform of f of t is L of f of t and given by integral from 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of t into dt, where s is the parameter. For different cases, you get different functions. Integral from 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of t into dt. And this transformation L into f of t is equal to integral from 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of t dt. This RHS is always a function of s. Therefore, this is usually denoted by f bar s. Laplace transform of f of t is denoted by f bar s because it is a function of s. LHS is a function of t and RHS is a function of s. This is the transformation. These are the standard transformations. Yesterday I have shown you Laplace transform of a constant is constant divided by s. Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. 2 is 2 by s. 5 is 5 by s. 10 is 10 by s. Laplace transform of e power at is 1 divided by s minus a. Laplace transform of e power at is 1 over s minus a, and that of e power minus at is 1 over s plus a. Laplace transform of cos hyperbolic at is s divided by s square minus a square. You know what are hyperbolic functions? Cos hyperbolic at is e power at plus e power minus at divided by 2. This is a known result. Cos hyperbolic at is e power at plus e power minus at whole divided by 2. Laplace transform of sin at is a divided by a square minus a square. And what is the definition of sin hyperbolic at? That's a known result. Sin hyperbolic at is e power at minus e power minus at divided by 2. And Laplace transform of cos at is s divided by a square plus a square. Laplace transform of sin at is a divided by a square plus a square. And Laplace transform of t power n is n factorial divided by s power n plus 1. These are the standard transformations. You have to memorize these results and no proof is required. Only you have to memorize these results. Laplace transform of a is a by s, e power at is 1 over s minus a, e power minus at is 1 over s plus a, cos hyperbolic at is s divided by a square minus a square, sin hyperbolic at is a divided by a square minus a square, cos at is s divided by a square plus a square, and sin at is a divided by a square plus a square, and t power n is n factorial divided by s power n plus 1. These are the 7 standard Laplace transformations. If you want, you can make a note of this. You please keep a notepad and pen with you while attending the classes. I'll show my entire notes in the group, okay? Today evening or tomorrow, I'll share entire notes of this module. Somebody is asking, okay? I'll share the notes. Okay, let's move to next one. Next part, problems. Find the Laplace transformation of the following functions of t. First function is cos hyperbolic square 3t. Cos hyperbolic square 3t. 100% you can expect a problem of this kind in the examination. Cos hyperbolic square 3t. You know the definition of cos hyperbolic theta. Cos hyperbolic theta is e power theta plus e power minus theta divided by 2. We shall use that formula here. Laplace transform of cos hyperbolic 3t is equal to Laplace transform of cos hyperbolic square 3t is equal to L into L stands for Laplace transformation. Cos hyperbolic 3t. Cos hyperbolic theta is e power theta plus e power minus theta divided by 2. And in this case, theta is 3t. Therefore, e power 3t plus e power minus 3t divided by 2. This is the definition of cos hyperbolic 3t. Whole square as this. Whole square as this. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. And remaining term e power 3t plus e power minus 3t whole square, it takes a plus b whole square form, right? It takes a plus b whole square form, and its expansion is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square is e power 3t whole square, that is e power 60, plus b square is e power minus 3t whole square, that is e power minus 60, plus 2ab, plus 2 into ab is e power 3t into e power minus 3t, that is e power 0. And e power 0 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2. Therefore, e power 60 plus e power minus 60 plus 2. And this Laplace transformation always obeys linearity property. We shall use linearity property. Keep this 1 by 4 as it is. It is independent of t. It's a constant. Keep it as it is. The first term is Laplace transform of e power 6t. It takes this form, Laplace transformation of e power at. Laplace transform of e power at is 1 over s minus a, right? Here a is 6, therefore 1 over s minus 6, plus Laplace transform of e power minus 6t. It takes this form, e power minus at is 1 over s plus a. 1 over s plus a, and here a is 6, therefore 1 over s plus 6. And we know that Laplace transformation of a is a by s, therefore 2 is 2 by s. 1 by 4 into 1 over s minus 6 plus 1 over s plus 6 plus 2 by s. This is the Laplace transformation of cos hyperbolic square 3t. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
You can unmute yourselves and answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, I will feel like teaching to a wall. At least type in chat box, okay? Next one. Find the Laplace transform of e power minus 2t into sine hyperbolic 4t. Find the Laplace transform of e power minus 2t into sine hyperbolic 4t. L of e power minus 2t into sine hyperbolic 4t. You read it as Laplace transform of e power minus 2t into sine hyperbolic 4t. Use the definition of sine hyperbolic theta. Sine hyperbolic theta is e power theta minus e power minus theta divided by 2, right? E power theta minus e power minus theta divided by 2. Here theta is 4t. Therefore, e power 4t minus e power minus 4t divided by 2. Next, Laplace transform of, you keep this 1 by 2 outside, 1 by 2 is constant. It is independent of t. Keep it outside. E power minus 2t into e power 4t is e power 2t. Bases are same. In such cases, we add powers. Minus 2t plus 4t will be 2t, e power 2t. Minus e power minus 2t minus e power minus 4t is e power minus 6t. Minus 2t minus 4t is minus 6t. Now use linearity property. Keep this 1 by 2 as it is. Laplace transform of e power at. Laplace transform of e power at is 1 over s minus a. Therefore, here it is 1 over s minus 2 because a is 2. Minus Laplace transform of e power minus 6t. Laplace transform of e power minus 8 is 1 over s plus a. Therefore, here it is 1 over s plus 6. And that is simple. We just take s minus 2 into s plus 6 as LCM factor. Then what you get in the numerator is 1 into s plus 6 is s plus 6 minus 1 into s minus 2 is s minus 2. Cancel this s with this minus s. You get 6 minus into minus plus 2, that is 8. 8 divided by s minus 2 into s plus 6. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. These are very simple but important problems in examination point of view. Is it okay now? I made it full screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. Am I going fast?
No, sir.
Next one. Find the Laplace transform of sine 5t into cos 2t. Laplace transform of sine 5t into cos 2t. We do not have direct Laplace transformation of product of two trigonometric functions like this, sine 5t into cos 2t. Therefore, we shall rewrite this. Laplace transform of sine 5t into cos 2t. Clearly, it takes sine a cos b form. It takes sine a cos b form, and its expansion is half into sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. Half into sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. Therefore, this is equal to L into sine 5t into cos 2t. A is 5t and B is 2t. Half into sine A plus B is 5t plus 2t is 7t, plus sine A minus B is 5t minus 2t is 3t. Collectively, we get L of 1 by 2 into sine 7t plus sine 3t. You keep this 1 by 2 as it is. Clearly, it is independent of t. It's a constant. Keep it as it is. Laplace transform of sine 80. Laplace transform of sine 80 is a divided by a square plus a square. Here a is 7. Therefore, 7 divided by a square plus 7 square. 7 square is 49. Laplace transform of sine 80 is a divided by a square plus a square. A is 7. 7 square is 49. Plus Laplace transform of sine 3t. Here a is 3. Therefore, a divided by a square plus a square is 3 divided by a square plus 3 square, and 3 square is 9. Next one. This is a similar problem. Laplace transform of sine 2t into sine 3t. Laplace transform of sine 2t into sine 3t. Clearly, it takes sine a sine b form. Sine a sine b is half into cos a minus b minus cos a plus b, or minus half into cos a plus b minus cos a minus b. You can, in either ways, you can write this. Laplace transform of sine 2t into sine 3t is half is constant. Keep it outside. Cos a minus b, a is 2t and b is 3t. 2t minus 3t is minus t, and cos of minus t. But cos of minus theta is always cos theta. Therefore, cos of minus t is cos t. Minus cos a plus b. A plus b is 2t plus 3t, 5t. Half into L of cos t minus cos 5t. Therefore, this is equal to half into, using linearity property, Laplace transformation of cos t. Here a is 1, and Laplace transform of cos 80 is s divided by s square plus a square. Here a is 1. Therefore, s divided by s square plus 1. Minus, this is not plus, this is minus. This is not plus, this is minus. Laplace transform of cos 5t is s divided by s square plus 5 square. 5 square is 25. S divided by s square plus 1 minus s divided by s square plus 25. This is not minus, this is not plus, this is minus. S divided by s square plus 1 minus s divided by s square plus 25. You can take LCM of these two, s square plus 1 into s square plus 25 on right numerator and simplify. You get 12s divided by s square plus 1 into s square plus 25. Next one. Find Laplace transform of sine square 2t plus 1. Laplace transform of sine square 2t plus 1. L of sin square 2t plus 1. Clearly, this takes sin square theta form. And we know that sin square theta is half into 1 minus cos 2 theta, right? Sin square theta is half into 1 minus cos 2 theta. Therefore, L of here theta is 2t plus 1. Clearly, this takes sin square theta form. Sin square theta is half into 1 minus cos 2 theta. Half into 1 minus cos 2 theta. Therefore, half into this 1 by 2 is constant, keep it outside. L of 1 minus cos 2 into 2t is 4t plus 2 into 1 is 2. Therefore, this is equal to half into L of 1 minus cos 4t plus 2. Clearly takes cos a plus b form. Cos 4t plus 2 is cos a plus b, and its expansion is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, where a is 4t and b is 2. Clearly, this takes cos a plus b form, where a is 4t and b is 2 expanded. Cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now write the transformation. Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. Laplace transformation of a is a by s. Therefore, 1 is 1 by s minus. Here cos 2 is a constant, keep it as it is. Right? Cos 2 is constant, keep it as it is. Laplace transformation of cos 4t. Laplace transform of cos 80 is s divided by s square plus a square. Therefore, s divided by s square plus a square. Here a is 4. 4 square is 16. Minus into minus plus. Sin 4t into sin 2. Here sin 2 is constant, keep it as it is. There is no t here. It is a constant. Laplace transformation of sin 4t. Laplace transform of sin 4t. Laplace transform of sin 80 is a divided by s square plus a square. Here a is 4. Therefore, 4 divided by s square plus 4 square. 4 square is 16. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, there's a similar problem. You do this. Laplace transform of cos square 2t. It takes cos square theta form. And we know that cos square theta is half into 1 plus cos 2 theta. Apeksha C. Unmute yourself and tell me what is the problem.
Sir, no, sir, by mistake it happens.
Apeksha, go ahead.
Sir, by mistake it happened.
Is this over?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll move on to next one. If you have any doubts, you can unmute yourself and ask the questions, or at least type in chat box. Find the Laplace transform of sine cube 2t. Find the Laplace transform of sine cube 2t. You do not forget to put your attendance in chat box. Type your name along with USN. Okay. Laplace transform of sine cube 2t. Clearly, this takes sine cube theta form. Laplace transform of sine cube theta. Theta is 2t. And we know that sine 3 theta is equal to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Sine 3 theta is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. This is a known result. Using this, we can obtain expression for sine cube theta. Sine cube theta is 1 by 4 into 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta, right? Sine cube theta is 1 by 4 into 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta. Use this here. Laplace transformation of here theta is 2t. Therefore, sine cube theta is 1 by 4 into 3 sine theta. Theta is 2t minus sine 3 theta. 3 into 2t is 60. Therefore, this is L of 1 by 4 into 3 sine 2t minus sine 6. You keep this 3 by 4 outside. 3 by 4 is constant, right? In the first term, 3 by 4 is constant. Keep it outside. As 3 by 4 comes outside, we get Laplace transformation of sine 2t. Clearly, it takes Laplace transformation of sine 80 form, where a is 2. Laplace transform of sine 80 is a divided by a square plus a square. Here a is 2, therefore a square is 4. Minus, you keep this 1 by 4 as this. Laplace transformation of sine 60. A is 6, therefore a divided by a square plus a square will be 6 divided by a square plus 36. Rest you can do. You take a square plus 4 into a square plus 36 as LCM factor and simplify. You must get this answer. Is 4 48 divided by a square plus 4 into a square plus 36?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Find the Laplace transform of sin t minus cos t whole square. Laplace transform of sin t minus cos t whole square. Clearly, this takes a minus b whole square form. Laplace transform of sin t minus cos t whole square. It takes a minus b whole square form. Its expansion will be a square plus b square plus minus 2ab. A square is sin square t plus b square is cos square t minus 2ab is 2 sin t into cos t. And we know that sin square t plus cos square t is 1 minus 2 sin t into cos t is sin 2t. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Therefore, 2 sin t cos t is sin 2t. And Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. Laplace transform of a is a by s. Therefore, 1 is 1 by s. minus Laplace transform of sin at is a divided by s square plus a square. Here a is 2, therefore 2 divided by a square plus 4. You take this s into a square plus 4 as LCM factor and write the numerator. Over.
Yes, sir.
You take this problem, cos t, cos 2t, cos 3t. We'll discuss this problem tomorrow. You can try this by yourselves at your home. Anyway, I'll do it tomorrow. Cos t, cos 2t, cos 3t. Because we are running out of the time, this will be disconnected in a few minutes. Laplace transformation of cos t, cos 2t, cos 3t. Note down this problem and try this one by yourselves at your home. Okay. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.